Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can preview a shortened link before clicking it. Because if you know, there are multiple scams that are done using shortened links that you click on, and if you think that's something else, but it to come out to be a fraud link. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search this website, which is check short URL. Just simply go over there, and here you open this first website that appear right in front of you and paste the shortened URL right here. Once you go that and hit expand, the shortened URL will open, and it automatically checks if that particular site is safe for you or not, and warns you if there's something scam in it. So by this method you can easily check if the shortened link that you are clicking is safe or not. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.